Hey friends, I'm Ani, and today we're making my creamy green chili chicken enchiladas. New Mexico comfort that's on the table in 45 minutes. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. When the oil is heated, we'll bloom the spices. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Let these cook in the hot oil for about 30 seconds. Add the 12 ounces of shredded chicken and 3/4 cup of diced onion. Stir frequently and be sure the chicken reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It already smells like home. Combine this chicken and onion mixture with the condensed cream of mushroom soup. Add half the cheese and 3/4 of the green chilies. Stir everything together until it's creamy and delicious. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread about 4 tablespoons of green enchilada sauce into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Assemble each enchilada using a spoonful of sauce and about 1/3 cup of the chicken mixture, rolling them snugly and placing them seam side down into your pan. Top the rolled enchiladas with about 4 tablespoons more of sauce, then the rest of the cheese and green chilies. Bake the enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden in spots. Let the enchiladas rest for 5 minutes so they hold together beautifully, and top them however you like. All that's left is to make these green chili chicken enchiladas a reality in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did.